Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how and when the conflict happens during merging operation. So in the left hand side you can see the graphical view of two branches. One is main and another one is dev. So in the main we have a launch browser.java and cart page.java, and in the dev we have the launch browser.java and close browser.java. Okay, we have a same file in the two different branches, right? So we will try to modify this launch browser.java in both the branches. Okay, first we will try to make the change in the main branch. Currently we will check in which branch we are on now. We are on main. We will try to edit that launch browser.java file. Okay, so here let us add it in the UI itself. I'll go to Explorer and launch browser. Okay, so here I am going to add a new line, say main branch addition. Okay, and I'm saving this file, and in the terminal I'll run git status. So you can see one file got modified. We will move this file into staging area. Okay, and then we will add a commit. Okay, updated launch browser from main branch. Okay, so this is to identify the commit from the message itself. I'll do a commit, and then if you come to the source control, you can see one new commit got added in the main branch. So you can see that blue line, a new commit got added. Now we will switch to dev branch. Okay, now we are into the dev branch. Now we will try to add dev branch content. Okay, I'll save this. Now I'll run git status. Dev branch, new file got modified. We will add it to staging area. Git commit, and then commit message is update launch browser from dev branch. Okay, so you can see the graphical view. Dev branch is this yellow color line, has a commit that modified the launch browser.java file, and in the main branch the same file got modified. Okay, but the changes are different. So if you see, this is dev branch, you can see the contents. Now we will switch to the main branch and we will run the. So here in the second line we can see the contents are changed. So what happens if we run git merge now? Okay, we will run it. Git merge. Okay, currently we are on main branch. We switched to main branch. Okay. Now we will merge the dev branch contents into main. Okay, what it is saying? It is saying auto merging launch browser.java conflict happened. So merge conflict in launch browser.java, and it is saying fix the conflicts and then commit the results. Okay, so this is the error that you get if git identifies a conflict and it couldn't merge on its own. So it is asking the user's help. So what we have to do is, the launch browser.java is having the conflict. So you can open that launch browser.java file. Okay, so it is saying There are few links that you are seeing that is only displayed in the VS Code. In case if you run the open the file in the terminal, you will see only these contents. Okay, so you will not be seeing these links, so we will leave that links part. So here it is saying the second line, main branch has a line main branch addition, and from the dev branch we have a new line. So it is asking us to do this change so that the user need to make the change in the file. So that means user have to modify the file so that the final contents he need to manually update. Say for example, sometimes we may need to keep this line and discard this line, or sometimes we need to keep dev branch content and then remove this line. Okay, or we can keep both the contents. Okay, for this example we will try to keep both the contents. We will remove this additional reference contents that got inserted, so we will remove that. Okay, and then I'll remove this one, and I'll remove this one. Okay, and the new line also we will remove it. Okay, so this is our final contents that we want to have in the launch browser.java. So we have modified the file manually and we have finalized the content. Now we will save this file. Okay, now we have saved, and we will go to source control again. So now we are editing it, but still the merge commit didn't happen. You can see the two branches didn't get merged. It's still on the way. Okay, so now we have updated this file. We can check the status. One file got modified. As we do normally what we do, we will add this file into staging area, right? We will do that in the same way. Launch browser. Okay, and then we will have to continue with the previous merge. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to take this command and then we have to say continue. Okay, then merge got stopped in the conflict. Now next step is we resolve the conflict. Now we are asking the git merge command to continue its process. Okay, so it is asking for the commit. We will leave the commit message as is. So now you can see the new merge commit got created and two branches branch lines got tied into one specific commit. Okay, so now the commit happened as expected, and the file, if you see, currently we are on main branch, and if you see launch browser.java, it will have the contents as we edited previously. Okay, so this is the way we have to solve the conflict, and then we can continue with the merge. We used continue, and there are also other options. If you want to abort, if you want to cancel that, you can cancel that. If you want to continue, you can continue with that. Thanks for watching.